Alright, shalom, shalom, shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Shai, Bahashem Rakakwadash Shalamat. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, a salutation to the hopeful elect, the brethren that are teaching His word in truth and sincerity throughout the four corners of the earth, the house of David, the Bayat Shaldo, the elect. I'm the brother Sayan from GMS Suriname, and I want to do a lesson. You know, and Lord willing, this is edifying to the hopeful elect. As you can see, man, this is what's going on. You know, in these last 3 or 4 days. You know, in Europe. You know, different parts of the earth. You know, there's a great flooding. You know, heavy rains. You know, in Europe, the Netherlands, Belgium, Germany. You know, that is what's happening right now. You know, and all these, and one people says that they never seen such flooding in 100 years. It's because we are in the last days. We are living in the last days. Strange things are going to happen that people don't realize that we are living in the last times, you know, in the last days. But we, the prophets and the believers, we know, and we give the message. We tell you according to the Bible what's going to happen, you know, and it's happening. But if you refuse to listen, then it's gonna be like a unexpected thing for you to believe, you know, or to see. But for us that are in the truth, you know, we the prophets, we know what's happening, we know what's going on, we know what time it is, you know. So I'm gonna talk to the people in the Suriname language that they can understand. So brother nang select for wishi, mi try ma video net, isabito. Like sorry no de sa gebeuren in Europa, alleen kon sabito na like fa alleen be kon jaso. In Sranan jaso sungwalo presi, isabito. Maar in buitenland, hij gebeurt more heftig, want no de na dat gebeuren in Europa, België, in Duitsland, in Holland, walo kondre in Europa, no de may suffer sa fato de consequences fu a hebi aling sa fato na nga water overstroming. Tap verschillende presi van grond tapu India, meer ook to in Amerika. Maar no de ay gebeuren hebi in Europa. Isabito. Maar walos ma idintag desan is gebeur gewoon. Desan is na Bible so prophecy. Ya pons mabetak van tak AI. A water overstroming is na baka 100 jaar fos de max so wasan mi baka. Omdat will be in the last days, will be in a 8 day. Daarom ik desan is gebeur. A klimaat verander. Ya hawa bahasem ya wusha ya moro iwa in an efeson. Verander a klimaat tapagron tapu. Sa fato make wan losan gebeur tranga winter wai vulkaanuitbarsting, orkanen. Sa fato harde windstoten of water overstroming. Desan gebeur moro heftig. No de in de didis te desan dat gebeur. Sa fato. En no de we go in Augustus, we go in de my kare summertime droge tijd. Dat want a song of fire extra. Isa fato in Canada na nga want to kondre dapi want to start dapi in Amerika. Walos ma edede fu a feloson fu a heat sa song e du. Dus amoro yung opa tempo fu desan. Mag desan e gebeur moro heftig. En ala desan is na Bible so profetie want atagyaso. Atagyaso ina buku fu miding na buku Yesaya. Takamoro yung buso kagron tapo in the last days. Isabita. As tagyaso ina buku Yesaya hustok ni ka ng 20 verses. Atagyaso, thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise, with storm and tempest and the flame of devouring fire. No de in California na walo gedeelte dat in California e bron, walo busi e bron. Ook to in Europa iba walo precies e bron. Na moro iwan tag in de eindtijd au busu ka gron tapu nanga donder, ti era donder e bari dat tag na hebi aling e kong. Isa fato nanga aardbeving, ook to walo aardbeving e gebeurde in Yellowstone, wan precies in California. Isa fato en great noise, bigi geluiden, nanga storm, wat windstoten, orkanen nanga de sandati. You see? Tempest dat want heavy tranga winti. Isa fato de hurricanes and the flame of devouring fire. Dus alla de san is na san samuro yung bodu ina eindtijd. En werkelijk, de san ne gebeur. Dus de san is ne gebeur zomaar en moro heftig san o gebeur. Wallo sante na pasi e kong sa uno like the prophets we go tapastrati le fatamara na satra lord dwelling with the tapastrati bakaf gide warning teach a nation fu Israel gia nation fu Israel waarschuwing de sansa da pasi e kong akondre dis ne kon bumoro agron tapu ne kon bumoro een nieuwe wereldorde voor de zogenaamde wet man da pasi ter fato pe de mo implementeren microchip de mo make verplicht van uno de mai make vaccinaties sani verplicht ala de sana to cha boom bigi trouble tapa gron tapu de mo meka gron tapu go in bigi hongersnood ma moro iwang doing ma moro iwang hobrek de zogenaamde wet ma fu organiseer de san tapa gron tapu fu pressure a gron tapu en de wang sa fato sa e fira pressure moro hebi na nation fu Israel de nengre de buskondre nanga de ingi tapa gron tapu isi na ding o suffer na moro iwang tak amoro iwang make den suffer isabita want de negeer voor arki de no ayer dus dan moet je gewoon make den suffer daarom ik bij elkaar de trouble die dat sada pas ik kon Jacob's trouble a trouble de problemen voor Jacob de problemen voor de nere buskonder nanga ingi dan als je problemen ete no de problemen sa de de me kwalo bariba de moro hebi wango kona da peyo si suma na suma you see dus nadat mi buwan chakong sa fatong op chi warning op chi update fu sa e gebeur tak ide sa e gebeur ano sumar na Bible sa profecy isa fato dus muno den bribi wangu da ai utang ora bribi tang karna moro iwaning yahawa ina ne fensun yahawa shai sa fato entang ora bribi entang bigi wan de tensa e kong if amoro iwano dena you say iklari. I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem Yahweh Shai, Bahashem Rakakwadash, double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone, and salutation to the hopeful elect. Shalom.